When you choose HP, you can feel good, knowing that our products are designed and manufactured with the environment in mind. With a variety of innovations and resource-saving features, these devices can help you meet your environmental goals without sacrificing performance. First, look for the ENERGY STAR logo. This means that the device is qualified to the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency specifications for imaging equipment. HP is proud to offer many ENERGY STAR qualified imaging and printing devices for consumers, small businesses, and enterprise organizations. Help save even more energy with devices that offer HP AutoOnAutoOff technology, intelligence that can turn your device on when you need it and off when you don't. HP LaserJet products with Instant On technology warm up rapidly and cool quickly, while scanners with Instant On Copy require no warm-up time. Both these features can help significantly reduce energy use. HP EcoSmart Console lets you easily control energy settings for an individual device, such as sleep and power down modes. When it comes to reducing paper waste, choose an HP printer that will automatically print on both sides of the page. It's convenient, and you can conserve resources at the same time. Choose FSC or PEFC certified HP paper. It's sustainably sourced and helps promote healthy forests today and in the future. HP's policy is to use fiber from responsibly managed forests. Another way to print efficiently is to download HP Smart Print. This free tool helps you organize web content before you print, so you can stop getting the extra pages and content you don't want, reducing paper waste by up to 25% when printing from the internet. Finally, help reduce your impact by recycling HP cartridges. It's easy and free with our Planet Partners program, available in more than 50 countries.